Welcome students. Today we are going to start with practice set 17 of chapter number 4. See question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angle given below. Some angles are given to you. You have to find the supplementary angle for the given angle. Now in the last practice set 16 we have seen what are complementary angles. Now we are going to see in practice set 17 about supplementary angle. What are supplementary angles? So let me explain you what are first supplementary angles. See here, supplementary angles, the definition is if the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then that angles are called supplementary angles. Sum means total. If the total of two angles is 180 degree, then that angles are called as supplementary angles. Last we have seen about complementary angles. If the total was 90 degree, then that two angles total was 90 degree, they were called as complementary angles. Now if the total is 180 degree of two angles, they are called as supplementary angles. For example, if one angle is say 120 degree, I'm just giving example, and one angle is say 60 degree. Suppose this angle is ABC and this one is XYZ. The measure of this angle ABC is 120 degree and the measure of this angle is 60 degree. So if we add this, sum means what? Total. Angle, measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle XYZ. Just add it, 120 plus 60. 120 plus 60 we get 180 degree. So if the total of two angles is 180 degree, then that angles are called as supplementary angles. For example, 90 degree plus 90 degree. Again, if there are two angles and their total is 90 plus 90 is 180 degree, then that two angles are called as supplements of each other. Suppose 110 plus 70, how much it is? 180 degrees. So 110 and 70 are supplementary angles. So let us start with the exercise practice set 17. See the question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. See the first one is 15 degree. As we have done in complementary, the same step we will write. Let the supplementary angle of 15 degree be x degree. So we'll add this 15 plus x. Supplementary total is how much? 180 degree. So 15 plus x is equals to 180, and x we have to find, so x I'll keep it as it is inside. 180 minus 15. So 180 minus 15, if you do, you will get it 10, here 7. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 1 is 6, here 165 degree. So what is the supplementary angle for 15 degree? Is 165. So you'll write like this: the supplementary angle for 15 degree is 165 degree. If you add this, you will get it 180 degree. See the second sum. Second sum is 85 degree. Second one is 85 degree. So write the first term. Let the supplementary angle for 85 degree be x degree. So add this 85 degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree, because the total is supplementaries is 180. So x is equals to 180 minus 85. So x is equals to 180 minus 85. Just do it. 10 minus 5 is 5, here 18 minus 9 9, here 0, 95 degree. So x we got it 95 degrees. Therefore supplementary angle for 85 degree is 95 degree. See the third one is 120 degree. Let the supplementary angle for 120 degree be x degree. So add this 120 plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 120. So x is equals to how much? 60 degree. So we got supplementary pair as 60 degree. So supplementary angle for 120 degree is 60 degree. Now let's move to the fourth one, 37 degree. Fourth one is 37 degree. Again write the same step. Let the supplementary angle for 37 degree be x degree. So add this 37 degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. So x degree is equals to 180 degree minus 37 degree. So you will get the supplementary angle. 10 here 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, here 1, 143 degree. So therefore supplementary angle for 37 degree is 143 degree. Fifth one, 108 degree. Again write the first step. Let the supplementary angle for 108 degree be x degree. So add this 108 degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. So x degree is equals to 180 minus 108 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 108 degree. Here 10, here 7, 0, 72 degree. So therefore supplementary angle for 108 degree is 72 degree. Now sixth sum, 0 degree. Let the supplementary angle for 0 degree be x degree. So add this x plus 0 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 0. So x is equals to 180 minus 0 is 180 degree. So therefore supplementary angle for 0 degree is 180 degree. Seventh one is a degree. As usual write the first step. Let the supplementary angle for a degree be x degree. So add this a degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. X we have to find. So 180 degree minus a degree. We can't subtract alphabet from numbers, so we have to keep it as it is in one bracket. So x is equals to 180 minus a degree. So therefore supplementary angle for a degree is 180 minus a degree. In bracket you have to put. So we have finished our question number 1. Now let's move to our question number 2. Question number 2 of practice set 17. The measures of some angles are given below. Here some measures are given to you. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary. So you have to make one column in center, and one side we will write complementary angles, and other side we will make a partition. One side complementary and other side will write supplementary angles. From these given angles we have to find which are complementary and which are supplementary. So here some of them are given to you. Complementary means whose total is 90 degree, and supplementary means whose total is two angles whose total is 180 degree. This we have already studied now. So let's see first complementary. Now measure of angle B is 60 degree and measure of angle N is 30 degree. If we add these two, 60 plus 30, we are getting 90. So this both will be the pair of complementary. So I'll write it here, measure of angle B and measure of angle N, because 60 plus 30 is 90. Any other pair which makes 90 degree, just see here. Measure of angle Y is 90 degree and here measure of angle E is 0 degree. 90 plus 0 is 90, so we are getting 90. Measure of angle Y and measure of angle E, because 90 plus 0 is 90 and 90 means they are complementary. Then see, 150 we can't take because it is obtuse angle. Come to here, measure of angle D is 75 degree, measure of angle F is 15 degree. If we add these two, we are getting 90 degree. So measure of angle D and measure of angle F. 75 plus 15 is 90 degree. 120 we can't take because it is obtuse angle. Now come to the supplementary. Supplementary means the two angles, sum of that two angles which makes 180 degree. So 60 plus 30 will not make. 90 plus 90 we can take. So two times these angles we can take. So measure of angle Y and measure of angle Y. If two times we take, 90 plus 90 will make 180 degree. We can take that. Then measure of angle J is 150 and measure of angle N is 30. So 150 plus 30, 160, 170, 180. So supplementary. Measure of angle J and measure of angle N. 150 plus 30 is 180. Then measure of angle G is 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. So we can take this pair as supplementary pair. We add this measure of angle G and measure of angle B. So these are some of the complementary pairs and supplementary pairs. Complementary means whose total of two angles is 90 and supplementary means whose total is 180 degree. So we have finished question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is in triangle XYZ. So measure of angle Y is 90 degree. So let's make one right angle triangle because it is angle Y is 90 degree. So XYZ. In triangle XYZ, they are saying measure of angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? So we'll use the property of angles of a triangle. In the 6th standard, we already studied that in a triangle, if we add all these three angles, their total is 180 degree. So let's use that property. In triangle XYZ, add all the three angles. Measure of angle X plus measure of angle Y plus measure of angle Z is equals to 180 degree. This is the property of a triangle. If we add all the three angles in a triangle, their total is 180 degree. We can write here in the bracket property of a triangle. This is we have learnt in a 6th standard. Now out of that angle Y's measure I know they have given is 90 degree. So I'll put it. X and Z I don't know, so I'll keep them as it is. Y is 90, so in place of Y we'll put it 90 degree. Z I'll keep it as it is equals to 180 degree. Now this number will take it that side. So measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z I'll keep it as it is 180. This plus 90 will go this side, will become minus 90. So measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z is equals to 180 minus 90 will give you 90 after subtraction. So they are asking me what kind of pair do X and Z make. So X and Z's total I got 90 degree, and we have learned that if the two angles total is 90 degree, they are which angles? They are complementary angles. So therefore I will write measure of angle X and measure of angle Z make a complementary angle pair. They make a complementary angle pair. Why? Because their total I got at 90 degree. So we have seen till here. In the next part we will see the remaining questions, question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Till then, goodbye.